I found my love in Portofino, perché nei sogni credo ancora. Lo strano gioco del destino a Portofino m'ha preso il cuore nel dolce incanto del mattino. Il mare ti ha portato a me. Socchiudo gli occhi e a me vicino, a Portofino, rivedo te. Ricordo un angolo di cielo dove distavo.
And yeah, that's the Keychron V10 Max with the Alice layout, a very ergonomic design, and it definitely looks fantastic in person. And huge thanks to Tito Mike for letting me do the honors of unboxing and reviewing this key for him. He got it directly from Keychron Philippines. This isn't a sponsored video, by the way, just something I want to share since this keyboard really caught my attention. The V10 Max is a tri-mode mechanical keyboard equipped with two 2.4 GHz dongles, one for USB-C and one for USB, plus Bluetooth and wired connectivity. Each dongle supports a 1000 Hz polling rate for a faster and more responsive experience. And what makes it even more convenient is the magnetic storage for the dongles just beneath the keyboard. The keyboard features a 75% layout with macro keys on the left side and a smooth aluminum knob that both add functionality and style. The macro keys are perfect for quick shortcuts and workflow commands. The keyboard is fully hot swappable, letting you change switches anytime without soldering. It also has south-facing RGB LEDs that provide better visual design and keycap compatibility, especially for those who enjoy a clean, vibrant lighting setup. On the software side, it supports QMK and VIA. Plus, the Keychron WebDriver makes customization even simpler, allowing you to calibrate RGB effects, EMAT functions, and record macros conveniently right from your browser. This specific keyboard comes with the Cateron Jupiter Banana switches, giving that tactile feel and a crisp, satisfying sound with every press. And it's topped with the OSA double shot PVT keycaps, offering a durable texture and premium typing feel. It also features a gasket mount design with multiple layers of sound dampening, including PET film, PCB foam, and bottom case foam, all working together to deliver a soft, cushioned typing feel with a deeper and more refined sound profile. Just hear this.